Youth advocate, philanthropist and founder of KAB Foundation, Prince Dr. Kehinde Alex Bankole has declared his bid for the House of Representatives seat for Ekiti, Isin, Oke-Ero, Irepodun Federal Constituency on the platform of the All Progressives Congress ahead of the 2027 general elections. Speaking at a well-attended declaration at Omu-Aran City Hall that was filled to capacity in Irepodun local government area of Kwara State, Bankole, also a trained deputy commissioner of police spy unit, promised to tackle insecurity head-on, drive inclusive governance and fix critical infrastructure across the constituency. Prince KAB, a seasoned humanitarian and security expert, pledged to leverage his policing experience to address insecurity and accelerate development across the district.
As a trained deputy commissioner of police spy, I will make sure that insecurity becomes a thing of the past. And by the special grace of God, we are going to run an inclusive government. We'll bring all the youth, we'll bring them together, we'll give them all we need, all they actually need. That is actually what we've been doing in the time past. We've been sending the people who are not capable of going to school. We've been helping them, we've been creating jobs. By the special grace of God, during the last police recruit, we did a whole lot of work, getting our people into the police, and they're actually doing very fine. And by the special grace of God, as a construction magnate, I will work on the infrastructural deficit, which is actually a major problem in my federal constituency. And we will make sure that we infuse the needed thing that will give us a beautiful facelift when it comes to infrastructure in the budget. And we'll make sure that it is actually effectively executed by the special grace of God. We have a lot of things we will do differently by the special grace of God. We've been on ground, we've been doing things for our people. It's not going to be game. It's not going to be business as usual. We will run a very transparent government. By the special grace of God, we have what we are doing. Politics is not our profession. It is what we do at leisure, because we have our job that is actually doing well, and that is why we have decided to come into this policy and to make the needed changes. And by the special grace of God, come 2027, I, Kehinde Alex Bankole, will be representing the good people of Ekiti, Isin, Irepodun, and Oke-Ero in the Federal Constituency, the lower chamber of the National Assembly, by the special grace. And we'll bring the government back to the people. We'll make sure that every good thing that they desire, that they actually deserve, comes to their table. God will help us.
He outlined a people-focused agenda anchored on youth engagement, safety and sustainable growth.
When it comes to construction, I need a lot of deficit when it comes to construction, when it comes to infrastructure. What do I mean by deficit in infrastructure? Especially Tebambo láti Ìlọrin, Teba ti dọ́dọ̀ wa l'Ekiti, ó di ká máa jó Palongo, Chilongo, especially Teba dọ́dọ̀ wa Kwara South. By the special grace of God, I have been a contractor of the National Assembly. Mo mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ńbẹ̀. Mo mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní National Assembly. Mo mọ nǹkan tó máa infuse sínú budget tó máa ní direct impact lórí life everybody from our federal constituency, tó máa change road wa, tó máa change infrastructural deficit tó wà lọ́nà yìí. As a construction magnate who has worked with private individuals, who is still working with government firm, and who is still working with the National Assembly, especially the House of Representatives that we are talking about, I know the things that I will bring home. And when you look at me, you will see by the special grace of God, we will make the desired changes. Ẹ̀yin kábíyèsí wa, ẹ̀yin bàbá wa, àgbéjọba wa sọ́dọ̀ yín, ìjọ yín náà ni wọ́n ń pè níjọba. Àìgbéjọba wa sílé torí pé a ti disconnect from our cultural heritage. Òun ló jẹ́ káyé wa máa rí báyìí. Insecurity bá má pọ̀ tó báyìí lọ́dọ̀ wa. Tó bá ṣe pé àgbéjọba wa sọ́dọ̀ yìí tẹ́ ẹni ìjọba èyí ló ń jẹ́ ìjọba. By the special grace of God, mo rán yín sáà bàbá wa, ọmọ ọba ni mí. Mo rán yín sáà bàbá wa pé we are bringing the government to you people. Ìlú wa dẹ̀ máa rojú, a máa ráyè. Youth empowerment, by the special grace of God, over a reasonable years, mo ti ní foundation tó ń tọ́ àwọn èèyàn ní school lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́ lófò lágbára Ọlọ́run. And I can say that I'm a single individual tó ní foundation tí ò pè yàn pé káwọn á dáwó sí láti rán yàn lọ sílé ìwé. Evidences are there. And I can tell you, when it comes to infrastructural deficit, presently, mo ń tọ́ọ̀chì wọ́ọ̀dù kọ̀ọ̀kan. One of the reasons tó yẹ jẹ́ pé party wa, ẹ̀yin leader wa, tá a bá fẹ́ yàn, èmi Kehinde lè yàn. Èmi ni mo wà sẹ́lẹ̀bù. Kò sí wọ́ọ̀dù tẹ́ máa délé ní federal constituency wa. Tẹ́ ní bọ́wọ́ mi, èmi ò sọ sàkábà dé empowerment o. Ṣé mo pé oríṣiríṣi empowerment ló wà? Àwọn empowerment abẹ́ àpò. Ẹlòmí àjáde á ló ń ṣe empowerment. But empowerment tẹ́ ẹ̀ fojú rí ni. But èmi ṣe nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ̀ fojú rí. Tẹ́ ẹ̀ lè lọ sí wọ́ọ̀dù kan tẹ́ ẹ̀ lè sọ pé Kehinde Bankole ló ṣe. Ẹ máa rí orúkọ mi bẹ̀. Nínú gbogbo àwọn tá a jọ ń dìbò yìí, èmi nìkan ni mo ní nǹkan ní wọ́ọ̀dù tó ṣe pé ẹ̀yin bàbá wa rí wá ní Kehinde Bankole lélẹ̀.
Alex ṣe bẹ̀bẹ̀ kílẹ̀ ti rí. Kehinde ṣe bẹ̀bẹ̀ kílẹ̀ ti rí.
Supporters, including traditional rulers, expressed strong confidence in his candidacy, citing his humanity and record of lifting lives.
He deserves it. He has the capacity to do it because he has done many things in their community. That was what made me come. Hardly you see me in public gathering like this talking about one candidate. But the guy performed before his aspiration. He performed in his local government. You can ask anybody. I did my findings before I come out and come and declare for him.
Kehinde Alex Bankole has always stand out from when we were children. From our days in primary 2, he has always been a standard person. As a matter of fact, I have a testimony that he taught me how to read at primary 2. And has always stand out. He was our head boy at the primary school. He was the student union president at the community level. He was the Federation of Oke-Ero student union president at the local government level. In University of Ilorin, he was the president. And so all his life, he has always been leading. Yeah. So he stands out. You don't compare him with any other anyway. In the race, I know a lot of other persons too. Yes, they are eminently qualified. But the truth is, from so many that may be qualified, his history tells you, and what he does today tells you, that Kehinde Alex Bankole always stand out. That's the truth. Yes, I tell you, we cannot produce a better unifying factor in the whole of the federal constituency like Kehinde Alex Bankole. Before today, everyone, if you ask anyone here, they will tell you he's one person that is so loved outside his immediate local government than any other, even from other local government. If you check his records, before he decided for this aspiration, look at the things that he has done with his personal money. You have more of it in other local government than even you find in his own local government. So when you talk about him, he's more like a unifying factor. He's one person that is so much loved by all. And so we think this is the best chance we stand in Oke-Ero. If we are bringing anybody, it must be somebody that is loved from outside already, so that we don't start begging them that please remember us. This one, they want him to come. In fact, a lot of the stakeholders from Irepodun, Isin and Ekiti will tell you that if Oke-Ero people are serious, they should go and support KAB and let him come out for rep. And that has been the directive, yeah.
Ìdí tá a dẹ̀ fi wá ni pé Alex Kehinde Bankole tó fẹ́ lépa fún ipò House of Representatives. Ó jẹ́ ọmọ dáadáa, ó jẹ́ ọmọlúwàbí. Ó jẹ́ ẹnìkan tó kájú ẹ̀ tó lè ṣe lẹ́ẹ̀rin àwọn ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ènìyàn. Ọ̀kan ni Kehinde Bankole, ó mọ̀ nípa ètò. Torí yẹn la fi wá. A dẹ̀ mọ̀ yìí pé òun ni ó ṣèjọba yìí lágbára Ọlọ́run àti fi tọ́lọ́run ṣáájú. Òun la máa yàn, òun la fẹ́ ní Isin Oke-Ero Ekiti Irepodun constituency. Òun ló máa ṣe Kehinde Bankole. Ó wá láti Oke-Ero ní Ẹ̀kan zone. Ọlọ́run á wà pẹ̀lú yín.
Ọmọ mi ni ọ̀rẹ́ mi ni. Ó jẹ́ ọmọ kan tó níwà, tó sì lótìtọ́, tó sì lápọ́nlé. Owó ẹ̀kọ́ ni mo jí sọ̀rọ̀, èmi náà lówó. Ìwà rẹ̀ ló mú mi tẹ̀lé. Tó bá ti ní yes yes ni, tó bá ní no no ni. So mi ò ń ṣe olóṣèlú, ṣùgbọ́n ìwà ẹ̀ ló mú mi wá. Bí ó ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ àti kó mo ti wá bí báyìí. Èkó mo ti kúrò láàárọ̀ yìí tí mo fi dé bíbá yìí so ìfẹ́ tí mo ní sí ló jẹ́ kí n wá ó dẹ̀ ìjọba kan tó ní òtítọ́ ó dẹ̀ ìmọ̀ràn mi sí gbogbo àwọn àdúgbò yìí ni pé kí wọ́n kun Ọlọ́run á kún gbogbo wa abẹ́rẹ́ rẹ̀ sì lókun dì í kí wọ́n dìgbò fún kán sì ṣàdúrà fún bí ó sì rí tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì bá ti rí tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì gbà tó bá lálébù tí ò bá dá wọn lókàn pè mí mo ní ẹgbàá ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ tí mo lè bá wí mo fẹ́ kí wọ́n fi tọwọ́tọwọ́ tí gbogbo tara tọkàntọkàn kí wọ́n fi dúró tì Ọlọ́run kó dúró tọ́ mi ń kálukú wa náà tó bá dìde bẹ́ẹ̀ nítorí bá béèrè fún tí ò bá ṣe kí wọ́n á bá mi mo ní chance àti lọ lè bá pé àdéhùn wa kọ́ yìí o Ọlọ́run ti gbé ní ga kọ́lọ́run gbé gbogbo ọmọ kálukú ga kọ́lọ́run gbé òun náà dépò náà kọ́lọ́run ó ṣe ní ipò ọlá fún kó mọ̀ kú síbẹ̀ bá débẹ̀ o kó dẹ̀ rí dáadáa sí gbogbo wọn tó ṣe wàhálà fún Ọlọ́run jẹ́ kó lè san wọ́n lẹ́san dáadáa àti irú ẹ̀yin náà owó kẹfì wá bí iṣẹ́ ni so Ọlọ́run ti dúró tì ní kó dúró ti gbogbo wa kọ́lọ́mọ́ bá lu kálukú jẹ́ kọ́lọ́mọ́ bá ṣe tiẹ̀ náà jẹ́ kọ́lọ́mọ́ jọrọ̀ rẹ̀ ó dàrú ọ̀rọ̀ tí yín náà kọ́lọ́mọ́ jẹ́ ó dàrú ìlọ bíbọ̀ yẹn Ọlọ́mọ jẹ́ jáàmù ní jáde lékú lọ́wọ́ sì ní ṣe lásán.
Now, like I've always been saying, that the aspirants should not engage in do or die politics, because it is God that gives position. It's God that gives anything. Anything you do not have is what God has not given to you. When you say, oh, I could not achieve it, if God wants you to achieve it, there will be no problem for you. So we should not engage in do or die politics. That's for the aspirants. Then the electorate, they should look at character, integrity, and the readiness of that person. It is not more time. It's not the time again that we have those people going around telling people I do this, I will do that, but immediately they get to Abuja, they become the lord of the people. Definitely they should be servant of the people, but what we have been saying in the past is that once they get there, they become the lord, which will make them unable to serve the people they promise to serve. So I want people to shine their eyes, as we will say, and look at somebody who is ready to serve them.
Just like any American rulers will say, the best is yet to come. For those occupying the position, the best is yet to come. But the best for now is Kehinde Bankole, because we can see that they are identifying with his community, with his people. He knows where the problem are, and ability to solve it will not be perfect.
He's the man of the people, and if this position could be given to him, I believe it will work. And he's also a man of the people. As you can see around, you can see people trooping out to support him. He's a man of the people, and people loved him, and they are even praying for him to be the candidate for the position of representing Kwara South. And I believe with the help of God and with what he has done, God will help him to assume the position. I believe in Kehinde. Kehinde is our candidate. God help him.
Wow! Honorable Kehinde Bankole is the best candidate for the rap, because number one, he have integrity, and he is the man that loves everybody. Without this post, God has blessed him already, and he's ready to satisfy everybody's. And I pray to Almighty God that God will help him in Jesus' name.
He has humility, and the three things that a politician must have, he have them. One, like integrity, he has it. He has capacity to have the ticket. Then three, he's a popular man, both home and abroad.
Kehinde Bankole has been aspiring for a long time. As a student representative, he did well. He contested under Abga for House of Assembly around 2011. He contested for State Assembly in 2019. And then he didn't leave politics. He has been doing well with people. He didn't change his way of life. Upon all, the boy is very humble a boy, very industrious, and he's a giver. A giver shouldn't lack. Humility is the key to higher level in life. The boy is very humble, as I've said. He's aspiring for Federal House of Rep. Oke-Ero has never been in that office before. We have never been in the Senate before. We don't have a rally point in our local government. We are fighting for Oke-Ero this time around. Collectively, we are fighting for our local government. And this time around, inshallah, Oke-Ero will be in that seat by the grace of God.
Dr. Bankole Alex Kehinde is a philanthropic person. In fact, this man has already helped so many people in our Ekiti local government. Both, even for this Kwara South Senatorial District. And this man always do many things just to help some youth and some old woman, all these market women. And this man is fit to represent us from this constituency. And we are ready to support him.
As much as we are here, we are just appealing to the people of Irepodun, the Isin local government, to leave this House of Representatives for the Ekiti block. And when it comes to Ekiti block, Ekiti will decide. And among them is the best.
My Bible tells me that God detests the pride, and that is actually my watchword as a Christian. Born into a humble background, life is simple. You just have to remain humble. God bless you. Thank you very much.
In recognition of his impact, Bankole received the Curious Television Humanitarian Award in 2025 as endorsements continue to gather momentum nationwide. Abiodun Oluwatuyi reporting for Curious Television News.
This is Curious Television, a professional online-based television committed to promoting truth, balanced and objective reportage without fear. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube and Facebook channels. Curious Television, fearless pursuit of truth.